Myra's Kitchen with me, Chef Myra, where we make the simplest and delicious meals for you and your family. So thank you so much if you're a returning subscriber, always consuming my content. I do not take it for granted. Asante sana. If you're new to this channel, my name is Chef Myra. Kindly consider subscribing, join this great and wonderful family. Let's learn and share some recipes. So guys, let's make some ugali. Ugali is a staple food in Kenya and you only need 2 ingredients to make some ugali. Some boiling water and sifted maize flour. That's it. And of course a mwiko. This is called a mwiko. It's a wooden stick. It's what we're going to use to make ugali. We will be mingling with it. So what I love to do, I love taking like somewhat a pinch of flour and just putting it over my water to make the water boil faster. Well, I saw my mom do that, so I also do it. I don't know if it's true that it makes the water boil faster, but that's what I love doing. As you can see, our water is already boiling. So what I love to do is just take out a bit of water just in case we put in a lot of flour. Just half a cup or so. And now we start to add our flour to the water. Make sure you mix it quickly before it starts bubbling up. Otherwise, it can, splash on you. Very simple. Just mixing flour, maize flour to your water. So at this point, my ugali needs a bit of flour because you're supposed to add flour gradually until it starts forming a stiff dough. As you can see, mine is still a bit light. So I'll just add some little flour, just a little. And then you continue to mingle. Yes. It's coming along well. This one requires strength. It's not for the wicked at all. It's not. I want to shape it into. I just want to put it and shape it so that I cover it. So shape it like that. Then you cover it. Then reduce your heat to low heat. And then cover it for around 5 minutes. It should be done. After allowing it to cook for a while, open it and mingle again, just to make sure that all flour has been incorporated properly. This is what you will basically find in a Kenyan home. This is one of the food that you cannot miss in a typical Kenyan home. Most people eat it almost every day. Ugali. We are ready. Our ugali is ready. It is serving time, serving time. Cover it with a plate. Then we do the upside down flip. Our ugali is ready, guys. easy to follow recipe. Kindly try it at home. Tag me on Instagram. Let me know how you feel about it. Karibuni supper for the Zee lunch. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and share this video so that many people can learn some Kenyan recipes. I'll meet you in the next. Adios amigos!